Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kodai, and today I've got something super exciting to share with you. If you're a fan of Notion and looking to streamline your email workflow, you're going to love this. Today, I'm introducing the Notion Email Composer template. This template allows you to effortlessly send emails directly from Notion with just one click. This template requires no integration. The feature is achieved purely with Notion and browser features. It's perfect for busy professionals, freelancers, or anyone who wants to improve productivity. Let me show you how it works. Here we have an inquiry database with inquiry from our clients. By clicking Create an Email, it generates a personalized email based on the selected templates and pages properties. So two fields come from here and ID come from here, and the name come from here. The email opens in your favorite email client, ready for you to review and send. You can use Gmail as well as other email services. The Create Email button here is actually a formula. The template includes a helper tool to create this formula so that you don't need to write the complex formula yourself. See how easy that was? Now let's dive into how to set this up. First, you will need to duplicate the Email Composer templates. This template includes a database for email templates, where you can add your own templates using dynamic placeholders that automatically fill in data from your database. You can find the URL to the template store in the video description below. Click this button to duplicate the template to your workspace. Then select workspace you want to add the template to. Then select TeamSpace to add the template to. Now the template is duplicated to here. And next, you'll need a database you want to add Create Email button to. If you don't have a database, create it now. So I have Inquiry 2 database, which I will use to show you the setup process. This database is not set up yet. Once you have your database set up, it's time to create your email template to the email template database, which is here. You can add as many templates as you want. To add your template, just click New and fill the title, subject, and body. For example, here is the template for initial response to inquiries, which I showed you earlier. I will use this template for this tutorial. Once you have added your email template, we need to add the template to your main database. In this tutorial, it's the Inquiry 2 database. Go to Inquiry 2 database and click here to add a default template. If you already have a default template, click Edit to edit the template. So now click Add a property and select Relation and select Email Templates. Choose one page and click Add Relation. Then select your default template. In this tutorial, initial response to inquiry. You can switch templates to another before you send by pressing plus button in a page. Next, let's create a send email button. This is done with a formula. In your database, add a formula property. And use our helper tool to create a formula for a button. You can find helper tool in your Composer templates. Let's create a formula for the send email button. In order to pre-fill the to field with the customer email field, copy the field name here and paste it to the to field in the helper tool and select property type email since this is email type. Next, add a replace rule so that variables in the email templates are replaced with the Notion database properties. The template I will use for this tutorial is this one. It has two variables, ID and customer name. So click Add Rule and import the variable name to the placeholder. You can set the Notion property name and the property types later on. Click Add Rule again and input the variable name, customer name. Please note that you don't need two dots here and here. You just need variable only. Then go back to the database and find Notion property for the variables. You want to use this ID in the email, so copy the name and paste it here and select property type ID since this is ID. And then you want to use first name for the customer name. Copy it and paste it here and select text type. That's it. Now click Generate Formula and copy it. And then you paste it here and click Done. Now you have email templates set up. Okay, so let's try if it works. Click Create an Email and it automatically opens your default email client filled with the values from your data, like to field and ID and name. If you open another record and create an email, it opens with this data. Emily, number 1, and Johnson. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're interested in using this email template in your own Notion workspace. If you'd like to get started with this template, you can head over to the template store using the link in the description below and purchase the template. When you buy the template, you'll not only get access to the template itself, but also a more detailed explanation of how to use it effectively. I want to make sure you have all the resources you need to make the most of this template. In addition, I offer chat and email support for all my customers, so if you have any questions or need assistance while setting up or using the template, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you succeed. Thank you for watching.